Hi everyone. Quick video for day two of distance learning, just to cover a couple of things to finish for this week, and then to get you thinking a little bit about next week. So number one, I think 11 of you still have to do the creating a schedule, your daily schedule for distance learning. I realize Schoology not working very well over the last couple of days has probably caused you to rethink your schedule, but it's still having a schedule to start with is a good idea. So please get that done if you haven't got that done. Most of you have. Again, there's still 5 of you that haven't taken the foot test. So if you are one of those people, I actually sent you a message yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Please get that done. And there's at least one person that has to do a retake, and they haven't done the retake yet either. I need to post all those grades by Friday. So please try to get that accomplished. Okay. Otherwise, not really any new things for the week, but I do want to show you what's coming up and get you thinking a little bit about it. So in the week one distance learning folder, I did put in 2 PDFs. First, here's your attendance for tomorrow. Make sure you get in and do that. I only have your class on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so attendance seemed to go pretty smooth for us on Tuesday. Today, for my first, third, fifth, and seventh hour class, it didn't go so well. Especially in the morning, it seemed like Schoology was more bogged down in the morning than the afternoon. So don't feel like you have to go on and do this during our slot in that schedule. That slot in the schedule is set up for us to do Zoom meetings if we're going to do Zoom meetings. But you can do this tonight if you catch it, or anytime you want to do tomorrow. The attendance actually can't do it tonight. The attendance sheet the attendance thing is open from 7 a.m. to like 11 p.m. So you just got to get in tomorrow sometime and do that. After you do attendance and you watch the video, I want you to look at these two ankle ligament PDFs. Just spend 30 seconds on them or a minute. Maybe look at your own leg and see if you can kind of point out where that's located. So this is the first anatomical thing we're going to work on next week. If you notice, this is the lateral side of the ankle, and most ligaments in the human body are actually named based on the bones they attach to. Okay, so the ATF is your anterior talofibular. So it attaches to your talus and to your fibula. So two bones that you guys already know, and anterior means it's in front. And we also have a posterior talofibular on the backside. All right, so this ligament here you're going to learn about is the most commonly sprained ankle ligament. This is the one that you hurt most of the time when you sprain your ankle. So if you can see the outline here, the lateral malleolus is right here, the fibula is heading up. So there's 3 ligaments on the lateral side: ATF, CF, which is calcaneofibular, and PTF. And then these top 2, these are your high ankle sprains. So if you've ever heard of someone having a high ankle sprain, these are the ligaments they injure. And we'll get a little bit more into those next week. But these are the 3 I want you to work on. I'd actually encourage you to kind of palpate the distal end of your fibula and kind of find the anterior side, the posterior side, and straight down distally underneath or just inferior to it. And that's where those 3 ligaments are located. And then on the medial side, they're collectively known as the deltoid. And so a deltoid is a triangle. I don't know if you can really see a triangle out of this, but if you imagine real hard, there's sort of a triangle. Anyway, so here's the medial side. So the tibia is coming down. This is the medial malleolus, and there's 4 ligaments that come off of the medial malleolus, and collectively they're known as the deltoid. So anterior tibiotalar, tibionavicular, tibiocalcaneal, and posterior tibiotalar. So again, spend a few minutes, push on your own foot a little bit. Find the medial end, the medial malleolus, so the distal end of it. Kind of go anterior, kind of go posterior. Imagine going straight down the calcaneus. And if you find that tibial, that navicular tubercle, remember we found that during the foot unit, you can actually imagine the ligament goes from that bump up to the tibia. So again, just spend 5 minutes a day looking at these, try to find them on yourself, something like that, just to get you thinking about and seeing those words for next week. Tuesday next week, you're going to have some notability work. You're going to be drawing these ligaments on some pictures, and then also just practicing understanding all those names. So, hey, hope you're enjoying this first week. I know it's been a little bit difficult, especially technology-wise, but look forward to talking to you guys next week. It's possible we'll do some Zoom where we're all trying to get together next week, but for now, I'm going to plan on just showing you recorded lectures. So have a good weekend.